Hi, I've created a 7-part series that'll introduce you to widgets, AppIntents, Siri Shortcuts, and WatchKit. Now, in the first part of the series, which is covered in the first 4 videos, we'll design a simple iPhone app that's going to allow us to keep track of any number of tally counters in the app. Tapping on a tally will increment the counter, just as you would expect. But you can also switch between the different counters that you have available, and you can then increment that tally, or you can double tap to decrement, and if you want, you can then reset the counter. Well, creating a new tally is pretty easy too, and that's all done within this very simple app interface. And we build that all out in the first video. But once we've got the app running, I'll introduce you to widgets, at first with a very basic one, but this is going to be followed in the third video by showing you how you can add any number of widgets to your home screen. And the first tally is always added to the home screen, but you can long press on the widget where you'll have the opportunity to choose through the configurable widget intent which of those tallies you wish to have displayed. And then each tally is interactive in that tapping on the widget will increment and change the update in a shared app group SwiftData container. And then the final video in this first section, I'm going to introduce you to Siri Shortcuts, and that's going to allow you to make changes to any one of your tallies through voice commands. So for example, how about update alpha with MyTallies?
Updated alpha to 11.
Pretty good. How about update beta with MyTallies?
Updated beta to 3.
All right, that's good too, but I've got a gamma that I forgot what I called it. So I'm just going to say update MyTallies.
Select a tally to update alpha, beta, or gamma. Updated gamma to 1.
Nice. Tapping on any one of our tally widgets will get routed directly through URL routing to the correct tally in the iPhone app. Notice that gamma was updated as well in the Siri shortcut, even though it wasn't displayed as a tally widget. Now, after I finished those first 4 videos, I thought I was done, but I decided to extend the series with another 3 videos where I build out a watch app that'll work the same way as the widgets do. Updating the watch tally, we'll use a watch connectivity session to transfer the update over to the iPhone and update that corresponding tally. And vice versa. Updating from the phone will transfer the data over to the watch. And you can see here, if I exit to the home screen on the watch, you'll see that the watch complication gives you an updated value of that selected tally. Well, this complication also serves as a launcher for the app, where you can switch between your tallies and make updates to that selected tally on the watch. Now, even though it wasn't displayed on the phone, it is getting updated, as you see when I transfer to that particular tally on the phone. And then on the watch, exiting back to the home screen, you'll see that the new selected tally is the current one displayed in the complication. And of course, if we exit back to the home screen on the phone, the widgets are updated as well. So I hope you join me starting next Sunday for this exciting new series. My monthly coffee supporters will have the entire series by then. And you can too, just by becoming a $5 monthly coffee supporter. I hope you join me next Sunday.